Hey all, Abhinav here, and in this video we'll be adding some space in between our windows in XMonad, and I just wanted to show you how exactly I have done it and hope it will help the people who have just started using Window Manager and trying to configure it. Alright, let's jump right into it. As usual, I open my browser and searched for how to add spacing in XMonad and got into the very first link. And if you take a look at this, it says we need to import this library, that is xmonad.layout.spacing, to our xmonad.hs, that is our xmonad configuration file, and we should add this spacing and the value, that is the amount of pixels you want around the windows, to this layout hook. Let's just do this. Let me open my terminal, zoom in a bit, and open my config. And right in here we should add, that is import that library xmonad x and m capital on add dot layout l capital dot, what is that, spacing, yes, capital spacing. After importing, we should get to the layout hook part. It will be below configuration. There you go. Yeah, here this is my layout hook. As per the documentation, we should add spacing and specify the value. So let's go into insert mode, spacing, and let's add 10 pixels and a $sign here. And one more thing here, the spacing 10 is only applicable for the tiled layout, and if you want it for the mirrored layout, you should add it after the 3 pipe symbols, that is right in here. So let's write it to the file and recompile it. Yeah, there you go. Looks much better. I hope it helps, and catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.